Hi, I'm Mary Jane,
I'm Victor.
and we're here at our house in Coopersburg, Pennsylvania.
So the project actually started with replacing windows.
In order to open or close the little window in the bathroom, you had to climb in the bathtub. One of those, since we're doing this, we might as well do that and that.
So we had what we called the hallway bathroom, and then the master bathroom, and I redo that with a big wall of windows like we have down in the kitchen. We wanted a soaking tub because in our travels we'd run across them in Japan.
Victor found Gehman.
I was basically internet search.
I like it when people, you can see their thought processes, and Dennis Gehman does think about things, and they were all great. They, polite, intelligent, nice people. And it was also COVID, and they were willing to make lots of accommodations. We had little hallways of plastic that not only to control dirt, but to control contact with other people.
Yeah, I would highly recommend them. There are very few rooms in this house that have not been touched by Gehman. I'm very, very happy with working with them and the net result.
Well, I would recommend them. In fact, we are in the planning stages for our next Gehman project.